My name is Lawrence Tyler, and I'm partners with Carol Brown in Tyler Brown Photography.
Lawrence came up with an idea about doing a cancer awareness billboards. I myself had cancer. He's had cancer in his family with his sister and his mother, my husband, my mother. So we wanted to get the word out there and try to encourage people to go get checked.
A lot of the people are people that we know. A lot of them, we have a lot of survivors. Just being there, I mean, it was just a really nice fellowship the day that we took the pictures. Everybody came in not knowing each other, but when they left, it was one big family.
It was like we were united. We were, trying to fight this thing together. They're not famous people up there on their billboards. It's just ordinary people that you see walking around the streets of York every day. So I think that they make a connection with that.
We wanted to bring a message that it doesn't discriminate. So we have Asian people, Spanish, black and white that are on our billboards. All the people on the billboards, you can look at them and you just can't say, well, that person has cancer or that person, because you just can't tell. And just looking at one of the messages, you can't tell, so isn't it time for you to get checked?
It means a lot to me because I had cancer twice. I had breast cancer and ovarian cancer. I lost my mother when she was 49 to cancer, and my husband had pancreatic cancer 3 years ago and then developed bladder cancer last year, right around this time, and he passed away in August. I see a lot of people out there who I think don't ask the questions that need to be asked, or they're not an advocate for themselves, and they need to do that. I mean, part of my story is if I wouldn't have done that, I probably wouldn't be here today. I knew something was wrong. Something just wasn't right when I went for my mammogram. I just insisted that something was wrong, and they said, everything's clear, I can go home, come back in a year, I'm fine. And I asked if they could get someone else in to take a look because I wasn't comfortable going home. I felt like something was definitely wrong. After quite a while and me insisting that there was a problem, she finally found it, and everything changed at that point. It was like, you need to go see a surgeon tomorrow. My surgeon said that definitely if I would have gone home for a year, I would have not been here because it had already started to spread. The doctors are great, but they do depend on the patients to tell them. I mean, they don't know what we're feeling unless we tell them. So I kept encouraging everybody that I came in contact with to open up. If you're feeling something, you don't understand something, or you don't just sense that something's not quite right, you need to, like I said, be your own advocate. You need to push them.
This isn't going to stop overnight just because we put a billboard up. You know what I'm saying? We're going to continue to fight this thing as long as we possibly can. And our message is out there. You're not alone. If you're feeling something, get checked.
If we get one person to go out and say, I better get checked because I haven't been feeling well, then I think we've accomplished what we're trying to do.
We're in this together.